This video is going to show you how to fix a Vertiflora box to a wall. Here we're fixing it to a wooden fence. If you're fixing it to a brick wall, you'll want to use suitable raw plugs, which information can be found in the information leaflet with the box. So to begin with, just place the box against the wall where you want it to be situated, and screw in the first screw. Then using a spirit level, just check that the box is level. When it is, you can screw in the second screw. Here we're using a drill, but you can just use a long handle screwdriver just as well. Just check that both the screws are fully tightened, and check that the box holds firm and is straight. When it is, you're okay to start putting the plants in. Take the pot off the plant, just checking that each plant has got a good firm root system on it that goes right the way around the pot. You can then insert the plant into the front of the holes of the box, just pushing in with your fingers and thumbs. The plant will fit snugly inside the casings, and just firm them through so that the roots expose through into the box. Continuing to fill the box until it is full. And when it is full, just have a look inside the box and just check that the roots are pointing through and there's lots of open space between them. Now you can start filling the box with peat and a suitable fertiliser. You can use substitute peat if you want, such as coir. Each box holds around 25 to 30 litres of peat. As you fill the box to the top, just make sure that you firm all the peat around the internal casings of the box and around the back of the plants. You don't want to leave any air gaps, and make sure all the peat comes in contact with all the roots. You want to fill the box to approximately 2 centres below the top of the openings. When the box is full, you can begin to water in the box. We recommend using a full watering can, around about 10 litres of water. First of all, begin to water in the top into the 3 separate holes, using about half of the watering can. With the other half of the can, you can fill through the watering tube at the top of the box. This allows the water to drain down to the reservoir at the bottom of the box and fill the water absorbent foam. If you are going to add more boxes, you can now place them on top and begin to screw them into the wall.